Welcome back. Today we will learn an Indian technique of embroidery where all the accessories are bonded from the top. Herein my beads and sequences are loosely spilled and kept either close to me or on top of my frame. Make a lock and keep the loop out. Then place a bead on top of the needle hook, catch the loop with the hook and set the bead on top of the loop. Make a stitch bonding the bead. And repeat. Place a bead on the loop and stitch. Same process applies for the sequences. Next level is when we are bonding both beads and sequences together. Place a bead followed by the sequin on top of the needle hook. Catch the loop with the hook and set both accessories on that loop. Make a stitch bonding the accessories and repeat. Next we will draw another internal rhombus in our pattern and embroider it with the metal threads using sequences and beads in Indian technique. So draw the rhombus approximately in 1 cm distance from the previous one and draw the line. I have started from the upper corner of my rhomb and placing 2 beads followed by 1 sequin. The frequency of the stitches remains 4 to 5 holes respectively. And thus I continue my romb. 2 beads, 1 sequin. I'm coming close to the angle. And now it's very easy. I just place 1 empty stitch on top of the corner, like this, and continue my line. Again, 2 beads, 1 sequin, 2 beads, 1 sequin, all the way through. Two beads and 1 sequin. You may place your beads and sequences all together in some little ditch or right on top of the frame, how I did. It doesn't matter, just don't damage your fabric while you're putting it on, while you're catching it with your hook. Just like this. Coming to a lower angle and doing the same. Just empty stitch to highlight the corner. And then again I place 2 beads and 1 sequin on my needle. And continue up. You may practice making less frequency stitches, such as after each 2 holes, and you will see how nicely your sequences will be standing on the fabric. When I finish, it's very important to calculate in advance how many beads and sequences you'll need. I'm saying now about the frequency of the stitches. Now I place my 2 beads and sequin last time and highlight the upper corner of the romb. Placing it under my first sequin and completing the line with a lock. Then I cut the edges and pulling it down under the frame. I have completed another internal rhombus in Indian technique, and I would like you to practice the same. Photograph your embroidery from both sides of the frame and send it to me along with the questions if you have.